Hello everyone, welcome back to another Tooltip Tuesday. Here I have a three-fluted ball nose end mill, and one of the features which was updated recently is from the update number 118, a bit old from the latest one, but one of the feature which has been introduced is adding better control over subsequent OD and ball relief. So in this example, as you can see, there is a primary and a secondary, but in some instances where you need a bit more of meat at the cutting section, so you want to strengthen the flutes. What this happens is you can see here the primary and secondary. The secondary is having a lot more material to be removed. So from update 118, something which has been added is we already had the subsequent relief options, but you have now better control of what you need to do. So here you can see that I have selected, previously it was only 2 reliefs, but now we have 3 reliefs. And what we can do is we could use the third one into OD only or ball only or OD and ball. So in this example, if I could go in here and maybe change this angle to 15 degrees and leave it at 20 and maybe reduce this to 0.9 or something like that. And as you can see, I could have a better control over how the relief should behave. Now, this is particularly useful when you are having the tool used for harder materials. Now, this could be controlled easily, and there are instances where you could also eliminate the plunge yield clearance by just doing the subsequent relief on the ball only. So here is another update and a tooltip. Thank you once again for watching, and we will see you again next Tuesday.